Alright, so this came with the Jeep, and those who know it's a 33 by 12.5, and it's a stock rim, so you have to have that back spacing. So I'm going to get this off. I ordered this from Amazon, link in the description. This, I'm hoping, has enough back spacing so we can use it for the spare for the Jeep. So let me get it opened up, we'll take a look. I should have been a fishing YouTuber. Holy cow, it's got a lot of back spacing. I like the mat. Well, that's a ton of back spacing. Alright, so here we go. As you can see, lots of back spacing. You can push that tire out. The other rim is pretty much flat here, so it pushes everything in and tucks the tire. You don't want your tire tucked in and runs into the stuff when you have big 12.5 wide tires. So yeah, let's go get it mounted and I'll bring you guys back. Alright, we got them thrown back in the back of the Suburban, so we're gonna go get them mounted up and then we'll get it on the Jeep. While the tire's getting switched to the right rim, I should say, we're gonna go ahead and get this project car out. This is our flip car. We're almost done with it. You'll see those videos later on. This happens to be some new air shocks for the Suburban. My air shocks have been out for a while, but since we're going to be hauling the Jeep to Sturgis, we're going to have to go ahead and switch these shocks out tonight. So I need to get this car out of the way, and then we got to do a little bit to the Jeep over there to get it ready. Then we're going to be putting the new rear shocks in the Suburban. So let me get this car out of the way, and we'll start getting stuff ready. So we got the U-Haul rental trailer. I'm working on getting another car hauler. As soon as I get this black car sold, that's one of the things I'm going to buy with the money. So here we are. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's about 3 weeks later, but we did get this mounted. I just been sick. We did go over to Bundy Hill, had a lot of fun. I was too sick to film, but we still did it. So we're going to go ahead and get this put on. I want to test fit it and see if it rubs or anything when we turn the wheel. And we'll get it mounted and we'll put it on the back and wrap this video up. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and test fit. We're going to go ahead and throw it on here and make sure that we can turn both ways and it doesn't rub. I read online that 4.5 and 5 is recommended for no rubbing and 4 rubs a little, so let's find out. Alright, we're going to start it up and see if it rubs. between there. Yeah, we got plenty of clearance. Clears the brake. Yep. All right. I forgot to put the center cap on, but that's how she looks. Fits good. So let's get it mounted on the back of the Jeep. All right, we're gonna go ahead and install our tire on the back. I misplaced my bumpers, so I'm gonna have to install those back on later. So before I end the video, I'll do a quick walk around the tire, but first I want to get my new cover. I want to show you guys something, so hang tight. All right, we got it on, and check this out. A little free advertisement for the channel. So back here we got clearance. Eventually I want to go ahead and find those stoppers to go back here, but this will work for now. But boom. That's awesome. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos about this Jeep or other similar videos, then please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.